Hey guys, today I want to show you the demo project I made. This is basically an AI customer support agent with risk-aware decision making. Uh, the problem I wanted to solve with this is that companies need instant support for incoming inquiries, but auto reply bots can send very embarrassing emails and misinterpret information or inquiry absolutely. And what this system does, it basically has it allows to solve both of these issues. It allows instant replies to basic questions that are easy to answer and can be covered by an AI automation. And if system detects that user has negative connotation, has negative sentiment, technical issues it needs help with, or or basically needs human in the loop to be able to help him, then human is actually invited to help to the user, and this way, like 70 80% of all of the emails are instant replied by the system, and the other 20-30% which need human to reply to them are being replied by the human after the system lets them know that human is needed to reply. So let me show you how this works. Let's say I send an email to the company. In this case, it will be my email and subject cost API pricing. I want to use your services and have API access. How much would it cost me? Thanks. So it's an easy email, and it shouldn't be an issue for the system to respond to it. Let's see. I'm sending and executing. So as you see, the trigger worked. Actually, it worked. Let's restart. Yeah. So here we see the latest email. Previous one was the testing one I did, and this is the actual one I just sent. So we see the one item, our email. It incomes into master orchestrator agent, which has three small agents on its payroll. Email analyzer, an agent that analyzes incoming email and gives an evaluation of what just happened, like what the email is about, essentially. The second agent, this is basically a knowledge base retriever. So I fed him the just, sample of a database, basically, and like how much everything costs, features, support, refund policy, everything, basically all the info about the campaign. So after orchestrator through the email analyzer understands what the question of the user is about, it goes to knowledge-based retriever to try to get all the information it needs for answering that question. After that, it goes to the response writer. This is the name speaks for itself. It writes professional, personalized email responses based on the customer inquiries and company information. So at this point, this agent already knows what was asked and what information is needed to respond. It has it because we fed it to him through the knowledge base earlier. So when the answer is written, we are cleaning again with a simple JavaScript code. We're cleaning the data from the master orchestrator, the output, which is basically an answer to an email, and the decision if we are going forward or not. If let me show you forward. So append drawing sheet, and we are basically adding information to our email logger. We can check here; it's added. All the information about the email is being added to our database just for us to have it and to be able to uh, get back to it whenever we need to. And here we basically check if auto send is true or not. This means that our agent After it has checked the email from the user, it checks for urgency, sentiment, and risk level. And if sentiment is positive, risk level is low, and urgency is low, this means that um, agent can reply for itself. We can send an auto reply. And if we have a negative sentiment or high risk level, we will not be sending an auto reply. So we are checking this category here. So auto send is basically a Boolean variable which checks uh, on the fact that we need to send automatic response. Are we doing it or not? If true, we do this. If not, we don't. So as you can see, we do, since the email is very easy and very nonchalant. It has just a response, an ask like how much does API cost, etc. So let's see the reply. I go to my email. Oh, to here. Yeah, response to your inquiry. Hello, Michael. I'm writing to myself, of course, because this is demo, but still. Thank you for your interest in our services and API access. Pro plan costs $99 per month, 10,000 emails monthly, and supports unlimited users, making it a great value for teams. This information, to remind you, has been retrieved from our knowledge base right here. Unlimited API. So let's now try something else. Let's try sending a message which is negative sentiment. Your API services do not work for me. I want a refund. So send. 1 second. Yeah, send. Let's see how it works this time. Yeah, an email has been sent. We click execute. One second. Yeah, it goes through. You see we have received the actual email I just sent. And now master agent is working. So it sends, first of all, it analyzes the email. And as soon as it has the email analyzer responded that category is complaint, urgency, high, sentiment, negative, and requires human true, our agent didn't even go to his other agents, and it just right away sent the information to the support through the Telegram in the direct mail, in the inside the messages in Telegram. Essentially, that is how it works. This system basically allows you to instant reply to all the requests that are that can be replied instantly from based on your data, based on your campaign policies, and on your approach to customers. And if a question is complex, risky, and the situation needs to be escalated to the actual human in the loop, it will escalate and it will send the information to the human in the loop who will check and reply to the customer.